Hello. So the WDS is not sorting as one would like it to sort. So here's the story. It is really nothing more than an Excel spreadsheet. It is not that special or like highly configured or even deeply technical. If there's a challenge, the challenge is actually with the Excel document or with the Microsoft product. However, there are a few things that you could do to help get rid of the problem, or at least try to solve the problem. The first one is CFY pays these people, Conga, they can be found at congamerge.com, a lot of money. Not a lot, but some money. Their support is actually pretty useful, and they can be reached right here at that phone number. Again, that URL is congamerge.com. And other than that, if you don't like talking to tech support, you can try editing the document yourself. So what I am is I'm here in campaigns and at the campaign button links. What I'm going to do is look for the URL. So I'm looking for get WDS. And I believe I just need to click here and it'll give me the details of this particular tool. Just waiting for it to load, doing a song and dance, taking a sip of tea. Yes, I still am doing decaf. And here we go. This is the link that we passed to the Conga apps, and we can see here the session ID, the server, the ID. That's the campaign ID. It's a variable, and what we're looking for is the template. Here's the query. Here is the file name. Where is our template, though? Server, campaign, query ID. That's nice if you want it. There is our template ID. So everything in Salesforce has its own ID. Everything, every record has its own ID. So the template ID, there it is. So I'm just going to go here to our friend. I could try looking for it in the Conga templates, but I find that generally is not fruitful because some of the names are pretty esoteric. So I'm just going here and I'm going to hit Control V. I copied that ID and I'm hitting enter and I'm looking for the template. So there's several different iterations of it. In general, we try to put the name of the person who did the last change, and then we just do a little bit of versioning. So I'm just going to go ahead and click here. I'm going to say view. And it's now downloading my Conga template. And I can make any changes that I want and then just simply upload it. And it will always grab the most recent edition. So wherever it went. In general, it's probably in my download somewhere. In general, the changes, the sort order is because we have an empty column. That'll cause it. Let's say enable editing. So this is what it looks like. And I would cruise over. I could unhide the columns to something that's not getting A or C. So here we go. We have a blank there. That's interesting. And then we have some data, which leads me to believe that this problem is actually because there isn't anything, I need to unhide, there isn't anything in row 1, so the computer's getting confused. So where is my friend unhide? Putting my cursor over, getting it in the right place, there we go, unhide. And I'm going to cruise over and I'm going to say, is there anything in there? Is that why this problem is happening? Extra column for comments. So when I look at this, it should be, we could, Google a little bit for, Google to see if there's any additional help, or we could just call our friends at Conga. It'd probably be nice to develop a relationship with their tech support so that way they can do additional work for you in the future. Or you could also try making changes yourself, by highlighting it all and seeing how it behaves. Whatever you would like to do, either one is completely possible. Thank you so much.